we started painting. We are big on our promise to deliver, as we said. I see the quality of the paint. That's the premium offerings we're talking about. Yeah. So our 4-bed maisonette is massive. Comes with a cinema, comes with 2 rooms BQ, comes with half swimming pool like a gym. You can see how massive. I mean, this is the master's bedroom. Come on. Got the bathroom. Come on. So we're talking luxury, we're talking exclusivity, we're talking comfort, we're talking quality. This is a property to invest in.